Hey everybody, Marty here. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into this one. Today we are introducing our Series 32 kit that'll be available at dealers near you. This one here is a brand new Ford Ranger from Deers Ford out in Fremont, Nebraska. Go ahead and give you a little walk around of this guy. What we did with this one is we took a brand new base model Ford Ranger and we put a Ready Lift 3-inch kit on here. Topped it off with a set of fuel vectors and a set of Toyo AT tires, and then went with the Weston HDX drop steps on there to kind of set off the look a little bit. As you can see, this thing was a absolutely base model truck, which this really just sets off the whole thing. All right, so to sum things up, this Series 32 package is going to be available at dealerships near you. This is for the mid-size vehicles such as the Rangers, Tacomas, Colorados, 4Runners, and some other vehicles, even some full-size vehicles as well. The Series 32 package consists of a set of 17 or 18-inch wheels, all-terrain tires such as the Toyo AT2s or the Falcon AT3Ws, steps such as Weston HDX drop steps or the NFABs, and then a 3-inch suspension kit on there. So this, once again, will be available at dealers nearest you. You just go in there, you ask them for the Series 32 package when you're doing this, or you stop into the shop and do the same thing. We will be releasing quite a few other packages over the next couple weeks here, but this is just the first one that we had in. Once again, thank you to Deers Ford for letting us do a little demo of the Series 32 kit on here. And if you're interested in this vehicle will be available on their lot out there in Fremont. So once again, thanks guys. We'll see you next time.